Experience more with the Dometic TRT140M Rooftop Tent, featuring such highlights as a quick setup, spacious interiors, well-ventilated doors and windows, and plenty of storage options. Protected by a durable water-resistant PVC tent cover, it can handle just about anything that's thrown at it. The TRT140M features double-layered windows that allow for plenty of airflow throughout the tent. Despite its robust construction, it's lightweight thanks to the aluminium frame. The TRT140M also includes a 5cm high-density foam mattress so that you can comfortably sleep 2 people. Installing and setting up the TRT140M rooftop tent is simple and easy. Lift the rooftop tent onto the roof racks with the help of another person. To secure the rooftop tent to the roof racks, simply slide the bolts into the rails so that there is one on each side of the roof rack. Then fix the washer, U-bolt plate, and nut to the bolt. Do the same for all 4 corners. To set up the rooftop tent, remove the PVC cover and the ladder. At the back of the tent, locate the rear pole and attach it to the base of the rooftop tent. Then find the center pole and attach it to the rear support frame. At the canopy, locate the front pole and attach it to the front support frame. Packing down the TRT140M rooftop tent is as easy as setting it up. Detach the front pole from the front support frame and push back the canopy. Inside the rooftop tent, detach the center pole from the rear support frame. At the back of the rooftop tent, detach the rear pole from the base of the rooftop tent. Unclip and place the ladder on top of the rooftop tent. Then simply place the PVC cover over the rooftop tent. You'll be able to feel at home even in the great outdoors, thanks to the Dometic TRT140M Rooftop Tent.